Speech technology is evolving fast, but the real game share is in better pronunciation or clearer voices. The next generation of AI will sound truly human, capable of understanding your emotions, adjusting its tone, and responding like a real person. This isn't something far off, it's happening right now. By 2030, the AI assistant market is expected to hit 4 billion, reflecting just how essential these tools are becoming in our daily lives. But here's the twist. We're not just talking about assistants that set reminders or answer questions. The future is all about AI that can sense your frustration, adapt its voice to match your mood, or even offer emotional support. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how AI assistants are evolving to feel more human, from human intelligence to predictive behavior and speech that mirrors real human nuance. We'll explore how this technology is transforming industries and personal interactions, but that's not all. We're also diving into the ethical side of things. Can AI that understands emotions manipulate users? Let's dive in. When AI assistants first entered the scene, they were revolutionary, but basic Siri launched in 2011, setting the stage for voice interaction with our devices. Google Assistant and Alexa followed, creating a world where asking for the weather or setting reminders became second nature. But these early systems were limited. They responded to commands, nothing more. Over time, developers realized the potential for AI to not just respond, but to engage on a deeper, more human level. Now the race is on to build AI that understands emotions, anticipates needs, and interacts across multiple sensory inputs. A significant breakthrough in AI evolution is emotional intelligence. It's no longer just about what you say, it's how you say it. Companies like Hum AI are pushing the envelope by developing empathic voice interfaces capable of detecting emotional cues in speech. Imagine calling customer service frustrated by a delayed delivery. An emotionally aware AI detects your tone and adjusts its response to be calming and empathetic, rather than offering the same dry script. This small shift enhances user satisfaction. Dramatically, here's how it works. Neural networks analyze vocal tones, word choice, and even breathing patterns to gauge emotional states. Machine learning models are trained to detect frustration, happiness, or anxiety through speech and text. These emotionally aware systems are already being used in mental health applications, offering support that feels personal and responsive. Picture an AI therapist capable of recognizing when you're upset, adjusting its responses to offer for comfort or redirect the conversation. This isn't just futuristic, it's already happening. Emotional intelligence is becoming a cornerstone of AI, transforming sterile bots into relatable, interactive companions. AI is no longer sitting back waiting for commands. Proactive AI is taking center stage, designed to anticipate what you need before you even realize it. Mainframes. Cobot is one example, actively assisting users by monitoring workflows and suggesting adjustments in real time. Instead of merely setting calendar reminders, proactive AI can manage your day by analyzing patterns. It notices your back-to-back meetings. It might suggest breaks or reschedule less important calls. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your habits and gently nudges you toward healthier, more efficient routines. Why does this matter? Cognitive overload is a real challenge. Constant decision making drains energy, and proactive AI lightens that burden by automating simple decisions and predicting needs. AI frees up mental space for more important tasks in healthcare. AI is already being used to detect anomalies in patient data, alerting doctors before issues escalate in the workplace. AI anticipates when employees are nearing burnout and adjusts workloads accordingly. The result is a seamless, intuitive experience that keeps users one step ahead. Next-gen AI isn't just listening. It's seeing and understanding the world around it. Enter Google's Project Astra, an initiative developing AI that processes real-world visual and auditory information. Imagine pointing your phone at a malfunctioning appliance. Instead of shifting through manuals or waiting on hold, your AI assistant scans the device through your camera and offers step-by-step instructions. This is multimodal AI at work, integrating text, voice, and visual UAL to provide comprehensive solutions. One practical example is in retail. Multimodal AI can monitor store shelf, identifying low stock items and notifying staff in manufacturing. It can visually inspect products for defects, reducing human error and boosting quality control. This technology bridges the gap between the physical and digital worlds. AI that sees allows for a level of interaction that feels natural and intuitive. It opens possibilities for real-world troubleshooting, creative collaboration, and immersive learning experiences. The applications are vast, from home improvement guidance to assisting in complex industrial settings. AI that can process multiple types of input is becoming increasingly indispensable, transforming how we interact with the technology around us. One of the most significant advancements in AI development today is the ability to produce speech that feels natural, emotionally aware, and distinctly human. The days of monotone robotic voices that made interactions feel cold and distant. Now AI is mastering emotional nuance in speech-making. Conversations with virtual assistants sound closer to those with real people. This leap forward is made possible through zero-shot emotion and disfluency models. These models allow AI to generate speech that mimics human emotion, even in situations it hasn't explicitly been trained for. Essentially, the AI can inject subtle pauses, hesitations, and tonal shifts, creating a sense of empathy or urgency depending on the context. For example, if an AI assistant detects frustration in a user's voice, it might pause briefly before responding, softening its tone to a reflective understanding. During difficult conversations, the AI might slow down, allowing for a more compassionate and human-like exchange. These subtle details, like hesitating slightly or adjusting pacing, contribute to making AI speech feel real and relatable. This technology is being applied in various fields. AI assistants are now capable of reading bedtime stories to children with emotional inflection or providing comfort to elderly users through warm, expressive dialogue. In healthcare, AI is being used to deliver sensitive information in a calm, empathetic tone, which significantly improves patient experience. What sets this apart is that the AI no longer sounds robotic. Advanced speech synthesis. Technologies are adapting pitch, tone, and pacing to match the natural flow of human conversation. The more lifelike AI sounds, the more likely users are to engage deeply, fostering trust and comfort in these interactions. As AI becomes more adept at understanding and replicating human emotions, ethical concerns are rising. With great power comes the risk of misuse. AI that can detect and respond to emotions holds the potential to subtly influence behavior, blurring the line between assistance and manipulation. A recent article by Wired highlighted the concept of AI as a manipulation engine. The piece warns that emotionally intelligent AI could nudge users towards certain decisions, often without their awareness. For example, if AI detects vulnerability or anxiety, it could suggest specific products, services, or even ideologies, potentially exploiting users' internal states. This raises the question, where do we draw the line? Is an AI gently encouraging healthier habits or promoting mental well-being a good thing, or does it risk becoming intrusive? The potential for manipulation makes trust and transparency critical in AI development. In response, many AI companies are beginning to implement transparency policies to address these concerns. Some developers are creating systems that disclose why a particular suggestion was made, allowing users to understand the reasoning behind AI recommendations. Others are pushing for ethical AI guidelines that ensure autonomy remains in the hands of users, not algorithms. Regulations are also gaining momentum. Governments and tech leaders are increasingly discussing the need for clear frameworks that prevent AI from crossing ethical boundaries. The goal is to strike a balance, allowing AI to evolve and improve user experiences while safeguarding against manipulation and of control. The future of AI assistants looks promising, with short-term and long-term developments poised to reshape how we engage with technology in the near future. AI will become further integrated into daily life, expanding its influences across industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment. AI-driven virtual tours, personalized healthcare assistants, and even AI-powered therapists are already in the works, driven by the demand for more tailored and human-like experiences. Personalized AI is evolving rapidly through continuous learning from human interactions. AI assistants are becoming more attuned to individual preferences and habits. This means more accurate recommendations, more intuitive responses, and increasingly proactive assistance that feels tailor-made for each user. In the long term, AI assistants could take on even more complex emotional and cognitive tasks. The vision is AI that functions as a personal therapist, life coach, or companion, capable of handling delicate, emotionally charged conversations. The technology is moving toward a future where AI not only manages tasks, but also provides emotional support, listens actively, and offers companionship. But as this line between human and machine continues to blur, an important question emerges. Will we even notice the difference? And more importantly, does it matter? For many, the convenience and connection that emotionally aware AI provides outweighs the philosophical implications. Others, however, are wary of a world where machines become indistinguishable from humans in conversation. The evolution of AI assistants is undoubtedly exciting, but it raises significant questions about the role of technology in our lives. Emotional intelligence, proactivity, and multimodal engagement are pushing AI toward becoming more than just tools. They're evolving into companions and collaborators. But as AI becomes more like us, we need to consider how to maintain control and ensure these technologies align with our values. The key lies in balancing innovation and ethical safeguards, allowing AI to enhance our lives without compromising autonomy. So, are we ready for AI that feels truly human? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below for more interesting topics. Make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.